Hey everybody, welcome back to our channel. So welcome to another edition of Style on a Dime, where I show you my outfit of the day that I was able to thrift or get very cheap on a clearance. So today's outfit is total thrift, 100%. Everything came from the Goodwill. So I want to show you this wine colored top. It was in the dress section, but I'm not wearing it as a dress. It has the fringe on the end, and I actually featured this in a Goodwill Gabe's haul, and I'll link that video at the top just in case you missed it. But it has the fringe on the end. I just washed it and I hung it to dry. It has the long sleeves and it crosses underneath, so this bottom half crosses, this top half comes over, and then it comes down at two diagonal points. The next piece I got were these black pants. They're just straight leg pants, a little bit wider at the bottom, so not skinny pants or skinny jeans at all. They are dress pants. And then finally I got these shoes where they have the cutouts on the side and the ruffle detail on the front. I got those at Goodwill. So this is my Goodwill thrift outfit of the day. For the shirt, it was $4.59. The pants were $3.59 and the shoes were $3.89. I'm partnering this with a choker that I got at Walmart, probably for $1 or $2. The earrings and the bracelet were Christmas gifts from my sister, and of course I'm counting my steps. So this is my Style on a Dime outfit of the day. Thank you guys for stopping by.